Welcome. In this walkthrough, you'll create a clean, practical dashboard in Obsidian that you can use as a home base for your notes, tasks, projects, and quick links. By the end, you'll have a single page you can open each day to see what matters most and jump straight into work. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. When the Vault selection screen appears, choose the vault where you want this dashboard to live. A dashboard works best in your main working vault, so it's easy to reach. Think of it as your home page, the place you land first to get oriented, review priorities, and move to the right notes without friction. Once your vault is open, create a new note. In the left sidebar, click the New Note button, the one that looks like a sheet of paper with a pencil. A blank note will open in the editor. This new note will become your dashboard. If you don't see the sidebar, you can toggle it with the layout controls, but by default it should be visible on the left. Give the note a simple, memorable name so you can find it quickly. Short and clear is best. Names like Dashboard, Home, Main Workspace, or Productivity Hub all work well. The point is to make it easy to search for and easy to remember. If you rely on Quick Switcher or star your favorite notes, a simple name also helps this page surface fast. At the very top of the note, add a large title that clearly identifies the page. Type a single hash, a space, and then the title, My Dashboard. In Markdown, that single hash creates a level 1 heading, the biggest heading style. Using a true H1 makes the page easy to scan and anchors the entire layout visually. Next, lay out the major sections of your dashboard with smaller headings. Press Enter after the title and add a series of level 2 headings with 2 hashes and a space each. Create sections for tasks, projects, notes, quick links, and daily goals. These H2 headings break the page into logical zones so your eyes know where to go. If you find that a section isn't useful later, you can remove or rename it. But starting with these 5 gives you a balanced overview that works for most workflows. With the structure in place, begin wiring your dashboard to the notes you open most. Inside each section, add internal links using Obsidian's wiki link format. To link to a note called Daily Notes, type 2 open square brackets, Daily Notes, then 2 closing square brackets, like this. Double bracket Daily Notes. Double bracket. Do the same for project ideas, meeting notes, and task list. Clicking one of these links will jump you straight to that note. If the note doesn't exist, Obsidian will create it for you the first time you follow the link, which makes it a quick way to set up your system as you go. Place links where they make the most sense. For example, put project ideas under projects and task list under tasks. Under the tasks section, add a simple interactive checklist so you can capture and complete items right from the dashboard. The syntax is easy. Type a dash, a space, an open bracket, a space, a close bracket, then a space, and your task. For example, dash space, open bracket space, close bracket space. Finish weekly report. Do the same for review project notes and organize files. When you click the box next to a task, Obsidian will mark it as done. Keep this list short and focused. It's most effective when it highlights only what you truly need to see today. Now, make the dashboard more readable and visually organized with a few layout touches. To add a divider, go to a new line and type 3 hyphens by themselves. This horizontal rule helps separate sections or set off your quick links. Add emojis to section labels for at-a-glance recognition. For example, you might place a calendar emoji before daily notes, a check mark before tasks, and a light bulb before ideas. You can paste emojis directly, or use your operating system's emoji picker. For emphasis or guidance, create a callout box. On a new line, type a greater than sign and a space, then open bracket, exclamation mark, the word tip, and a closing bracket. On the next line, type a short message like Focus on your top 3 priorities today. Obsidian will render this as a highlighted block that stands out without being distracting. Use consistent spacing between sections and keep labels short so the page stays clean and scannable. When you've added headings, links, tasks, and design touches, switch to Reading View to see the polished result. In the top right of the editor, click the Reading View icon. This hides the raw markdown and shows the final page, just like a web document. Scan the page from top to bottom. Check that headings are clear, links are easy to spot, and your checklist is legible and usable. Make sure dividers and emojis help, not clutter. If something feels off, switch back to Editing View. Adjust spacing or wording, and preview again until it feels right. At this point, you have a working dashboard that centralizes your day. Consider keeping it open as a pinned tab or starring it so it's always one click away. As you use it, refine which links earn a place on the page and which sections you rely on most. Because Obsidian saves your changes automatically, you can iterate freely without worrying about losing your work. That's it. You've built a practical Obsidian dashboard that gives you fast access to notes, a focused task list, and a clear structure that supports your daily flow. Open it each morning, check your goals and tasks, jump into linked notes, and enjoy the simplicity of having your whole workspace in one place.